Okay, so we got our baby registry welcome box. I think there's just like samples. Wow.
Thank you, Amazon.
Yeah, so if you finish at least 60% of your registry list, because there's like different categories, they'll give you a free welcome box. Shipping is free, I think. I think if you have Prime, I don't know. But okay, this is cute.
Alright, first things first, we got is that how you say it? Lancino? Breastfeeding samples inside. 2 breast milk storage bags. Plus 2 disposable nursing pads for your leaky tits.
Alright, next we have a swaddle.
Swaddle.
From Swaddle Me.
I watched the video.
It's a gray one, stage 1.
Nice.
Small/medium. 0 to 3 months. 7 to 14 pounds. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah. We got Sposy, Little Lifes, Little Messes. Looks like a placemat. I don't know, for babies.
Next we have vitamin D drops. Strong Bones from Infamil. Says you could put it in your bottle.
Okay.
Shake this bottle well, fill dropper, and then dispense gently into mouth. To increase acceptance, mix with breast milk, formula, juice, cereal, other foods.
Oh, it's like vitamins. Fun fact, vitamin D is actually one of my daily vitamins I take. And I've been getting a lot of pros about that. We got
I think it's a onesie.
looks like a onesie. Guess so? Onesie. We have a lot of onesies right now. Shall sell Amazon. It's pretty cute.
That's
It's like
so
a
cute.
rhino, lion, elephant, safari animals. Turtle. Pretty cute.
Just put it in here.
Can I show this onesie?
Yeah, go ahead. We have our drawer of baby clothes in front of us.
This is one onesie I copped. This is what the baby girl's gonna wear outside the hospital.
Oh my gosh.
Cause she's feeling it, so.
I think he got that off of Etsy. Next we have this Rethink Zinc Hype 03.
Hypo 3.
Zinc and creams conceal. Unlike other rash remedies, this uses 3 simple elements to vaporize germs gently, effectively, and quickly to heal skin from diaper rash. Oh, so it's kind of like you just spray it. They have diaper rash. It's diaper rash spray.
Oh dang! They gave us a Philips event bottle.
Wow.
I think these are a little pricey. I think. I don't know. They got Philips, and I didn't know that Philips made bottles. I thought they only made light bulbs.
Oh, I forgot about that.
I think they make toothbrushes too now.
Alright, the next sample is a 2-in-1 wash and shampoo cleansing gel from Vivi and Bloom.
Is that coupons?
I think, yeah, 50% off Shutterfly, the Baby Brizza with their products, the Infamil vitamin D drop. There's a coupon right here. For that 15% off. Welcome to the baby registry. Your breastfeeding essentials checklist. I guess if you want to purchase the items full size, I guess you could just scan this QR code or something.
They also gave us Aquaphor samples. Gave us dude wipes. It's like manly baby wipes. And then they got lactation cookies. I wonder if I eat it. What the fuck is
Really?
that?
Let me see.
What's going
From
on
Bessie
here?
Best, lactation cookies. Hashtag more milk. Make more milk. Peanut butter flavor. I mean, you could probably try it. I don't know. You start making
Start
milk.
lactating.
Interesting. At least it came with the snack.
Yeah, I'm for sure gonna try this.
But yeah, that's everything. Should do a thumbnail.